I got the YZ450 all tore apart. Back tires at the shop, getting the new tire I found on Marketplace. I found a set of tires for 50 bucks and they're basically brand new. The back tire I've got getting installed right now. The front I'm not going to throw on right away. I'll probably wait a couple weeks to do that. Right now I'll show you what I've got going on. I'm in the process of taking the timing chain out. Everything is lined up. We got the timing marks are on. I'm just at the point where I gotta pull the flywheel off. So I just went and picked up the 24 millimeter 1.5 right hand thread flywheel puller, and we'll get that ripped off, and we'll pull the retainer for the chain out and then pull the old chain out and see how stretched it is compared to the new one, and then we'll slap this new one in, put it all back together, and hopefully that fixes the slight delay on the throttle. And then I also got everything to do the oil change as well. Filter down there. Oil's looking pretty dirty, so she's definitely due for an oil change. I forgot to grab an hour meter. That was something I would have liked to grab, but that is what it is. Okay, using a big crescent wrench and this ratchet, it literally popped off instantly. So let's get that pulled off, get this chain out. Okay, pins are lined up. The old one's on the left. Not overly stretched, but that's enough. New chain in, and I'm actually way more satisfied with the marks now. So when it's tight, these marks are perfect. I've released the timing chain tensioner and the marks are looking good. So let's get her reassembled. When you're doing this, don't forget to Loctite these two retainer nuts as well. Okay, the flywheel marks lined up. They're absolutely spot on. Okay, timing chain's on. Oil change is all done. And I also got the tire back and it's all mounted up. So now we got lots of tread. Let's start her up. See how that new timing chain sounds and feels.